Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a microscope project with the difference of permanent waving solutions on our hair. If you like this content, please subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to Hairology with Kelly Carroll. And today our project is going to be looking at our hair underneath the microscope with perm solution on it. So today we are choosing these three perms to experiment on our hair strands that we are placing underneath the microscope to study what our cuticle looks like after it has been exposed to different types of perm solutions. So our first one is going to be an acid perm. We're going to experiment with an alkaline perm, and we're also going to try an exothermic perm. So we will be using these according to manufacturer's directions for a test strand, and then seeing what the hair looks like being color treated and non-color treated with the effects of the permanent waving solution on our strands. And now to discuss the three types of bonds that we have in our hair. We have salt bonds, we have hydrogen bonds, and we have disulfide bonds. Disulfide bonds are the hardest ones to break and can only be broken with a chemical, such as your waving solution in a permanent wave. Now this process of breaking down is called a reduction reaction, and it involves the addition of hydrogen to the sulfur atoms of the polypeptide chains. So the permanent wave solution breaks a disulfide bond by adding the hydrogen atom to its sulfur, and then they attach to each other, break apart, forming around your rod that you have so carefully placed around each section of your hair by using end papers and doing a crokinole wrap to the scalp. A variety of perms are available in the salons today. Brief description of the most commonly used ones and their pH values are on this chart. And if you'll focus to the top of the screen, we used an exothermic perm to raise the cuticle in this color-treated hair with 20 volume. A closer look shows you that the cuticle is slightly raised. And again, thanks for watching. If you would like more content, just remember to like and subscribe.